Hello, my name is Karis Ado, and this is my Wiki Encyclopedia project. So for the first requirement, which is the entry pages, as you can see, there are 6 entry pages right now. Originally 5, I created one, which is flags. So according to the specification, if you go to the home page /wiki / the name of the entry, so CSS for example, it will take you to so it should take you to the page. That did not work because I used lowercase. So and if it does not exist, for example, if I go to let's say JavaScript or just Java, for example, so it shows a page that says the requested page was not found. So and then the title of the page is Java, as you can see here in the Chrome tab. So the second requirement is an index page, so that merely listing the names of all pages in there. So this is the index page. This is the home, which is the index page. So from the home you can click on any of the entries and it will take you directly to the entry page. So search, allow for search. So I could go to the search and search for an entry, for example the Django entry, and that will take me to the Django entry page. So also, if the search does not match completely, you should bring up a list of entries that have that search as a substring. So for example, if I search for on, it should bring up Python. If I search for, because on is a subscript of Python, substring of Python, if I just search O, you should find Django there too. So that works. And new page, so you could create a new page. So if I go to create new page, I could create a new page for JavaScript. So it's a JavaScript, a very popular programming language with large that can do virtually anything. So if I click create, now we have an entry, and if I go back to the home, you find that entry there. So this is JavaScript. So we can edit pages too. So let me go over to Python and edit it. For example, edit, so it populates automatically with the pre-existing text. So you could say, let me add this and edit. So save. So at the end there you can see the edit I just made. So from any of the entry pages you can edit. So there's also a random page button. If I click this, it takes me to any random page of the entries. If I click it again, it takes me to Python. Click it, takes me to JavaScript. So it takes me to any random page. So yes, and then the Markdown conversion, as you can see, it's not displaying Markdown. Even if I go to edit and you see that it's written in Markdown, for example, if I go to Python, you see that clearly in Python. If I go to edit, you see it's written in Markdown. So it converts to Markdown before display. And that is my presentation. Thank you.